5 folklore creatures that will keep you up at night. 1. Akraboamalu, the scorpion men. If you're not a fan of scorpions, you may have nightmares about this creature. The Akraboamalu are creatures from Mesopotamian mythology that are described as scorpion men. There are many descriptions of these strange creatures, but most describe them as having the head and torso of a man but the body of a scorpion. Think centaurs, but much, much creepier. 2. The Ablet Human Dog offspring. According to the Journal of American Folklore, the Ablet are unique dog-like creatures described in Inuit folklore. The Ablet are considered human-dog hybrids that are born to women who have chosen to mate with dogs. These strange offspring typically have human bodies with dog legs and hair and are prone to violence. In most cases, the Ablet are much taller than ordinary humans and are known to engage in cannibalism, including killing and eating their own human relatives. 3. Knucklevy, the skinless centaur. The Knucklevy comes from Scottish folklore and is sometimes called the devil of the sea. This strange creature is described as half human and half horse, and was only interested in plaguing islanders living near his home in the sea. The Knucklevy's head is 10 times larger than a human's, with a wide mouth resembling a pig's snout. He also only had one giant red eye that appeared to be burning like a flame. The most unsettling part of the Knucklevy's appearance, though, was his lack of skin. The horse-like monstrosity appeared to be made only of raw flesh, sinewy muscles, and gory veins clear at all angles. It also had long arms that could graze the ground without bending and a gaping mouth with foul breath. Its breath alone was described as venomous, plaguing anyone who came near enough for him to breathe on them. 4. Blemmies, the headless men. Blemmies are creatures with origins in the Roman Empire. These strange beings are described as having their faces on their torsos. There are actually 2 different types of blemmies that are described in ancient texts, one with eyes on its chest and one with eyes on its shoulders. They are known to inhabit remote areas in the world, but were originally found in Libya. 5. Gog Magog, the demon giant. The Gog Magog is a mythical creature belonging to Celtic mythology. According to folklore, the Gog Magog is a humanoid giant that is over 14 feet tall and similar to a giant troll. Supposedly, the intimidating creature descended from a line of demons and is repulsive to all who see it. Embracing his true nature, the Gog Magog dresses in a collection of animal skins to frighten off potential enemies before a fight even begins. Once challenged, the Gog Magog is surprisingly weak for his size and died in the original folklore after being pushed off a cliff.